everyone, welcome or welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Today I'm gonna share with you my top recommendations for essences. Now these are perfect for people who have dehydrated skin, and if you're a person who looking for something extra for this winters, like if your skin is feeling dry and dehydrated, these are gonna come to rescue you. Now I'm gonna give a quick disclaimer here that essences are just extra. If you don't need them, just don't go for them. Only if you want that extra boost of hydration and if you wanted to target some of your skin conditions, then you can go for the essences and toners. But other than that, they are just extra. But if you wanted to know my recommendations for the essences for dehydrated and dry skin for this winters, then please keep on watching. First option I have for you, undoubtedly by COSRX. It's their Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I just love this one. It's my second tube and I have repurchased my third one. Now I just love this one because this have this snail secretion filtrate on the top of the ingredients. This do have a lot of soothing and calming ingredients like betaine is there, allantoin and panthenol is there. This do have humectants like sodium hyaluronate, a lot of glycols are there, and this do have well-aging ingredient is like arginine. I just love this one because this has snail mucin, which is rich in GAGs, and GAGs we all know is rich in hyaluronic acid. So if you're a person who is dehydrated skin, this gonna comes to rescue you, and this work really well on dehydrated, sensitive, irritated and angry skin. ये आपके skin को calm down करने में help करता है. I just love this one. This has this slimy texture, बहुत ज़्यादा light consistency है, बहुत easily spread हो जाता है, बहुत easily आपके skin में absorb हो जाता है, and it gives you that dewy kind of a finish. Like if you're a person who is lacking glow, I think you gonna love this one. Just add this snail mucin in your skincare routine, and after 2 to 3 months you gonna see that radiance coming from within kind of a feel. You gonna love this one, I'm sure. So if you have not tried this one out yet, try once, I'm sure you're not gonna regret. Second, we have this Rovectin skin treatment lotion. Now I recently shared my experience on 3 products of Rovectin, so if you have missed it, I'm gonna give the link here. But if I have to say in overview of this one, this is a must have essence for you because one, this has niacinamide, which is 5%, which gonna combat with your acne. If you have acne marks, this gonna work on that. This do have a lot of other brightening ingredients like licorice root extract is there. This do have bunch of antioxidants, and this do have a lot of humectants, and this has 7 or 8 different types of hyaluronic acid. So it's definitely gonna give you that deep hydration. If your skin is very dehydrated, this gonna comes to rescue you. I just love this one. This has this serum like texture, like it doesn't feel like toner or essence. It has a thick slip to it. ये सीरम जैसा आपके फेस पे चलता है, एंड ये बहुत अच्छे से आपके स्किन में अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, एंड इट डेफिनेटली गिव्स यू दैट ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट्स. लाइक आपको आपके मार्क्स में रिडक्शन डेफिनेटली फील होता है बाय 3, 3rd और 4th वीक. So I would say if you are a person who's struggling with dehydrated, angry, sensitive skin, this gonna work wonderfully on your face. Next option I have for you is this by Skin Food. It's their Royal Honey and Propolis Enrich Essence. Now this got propolis, honey and royal jelly. We all know propolis and honey, they have anti-inflammatory properties and they give you a deep hydration. Apart from these 3 ingredients, this has few of the humectants like glycols are there, sodium hyaluronate is there. This do have beta glucan, this do have Saccharomyces ferment, and this do have arginine as well, which is a well-aging ingredient. Now I just love this one. This has a very light texture, like ये serum जैसा ही feel होता है, and it get absorbed quickly on your skin, and it gives you that deep hydration and nourishment on your skin. So if you're a person who is more on a acne prone skin type, like ज़्यादा अगर आपका acne prone skin है and you don't want to go heavy with products, this is gonna be a perfect option. So don't get worried by this honey extract extract and royal jelly, they are more on a calming side. Like जो propolis होता है, honey होता है, they are antibacterial and antimicrobial, तो आपके ये acne पे भी combat करने में help करेगा. I just love this one. Like this is a perfect best friend for you for this winter, but I know it's a bit expensive. Like only 50 ml product आपको मिलता है 2300 के आसपास. So only if you can afford this one, then only go for this one. It's a beautiful essence. Next, you can try this Klairs ka Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. Now, this got a lot of humectants. This do have bunch of antioxidants. This do have ceramides, peptides. This do have green tea extract and rice extract and some fermented ingredients as well. The consistency of this one is very light. It's a watery oil drop, but it more like a runny serum. Very light in consistency, and it get absorbed quickly into your skin. This definitely provide you a deep hydration. So if you wanted to layer this one up for this winters, you can definitely check this one out. As you can see, it get absorbed quickly into your skin and you can easily layer this one up. Next option I have for you is this by again Cosrx. It's their Advanced Nail Radiance Dual Essence. Now ये इनका न्यू लॉन्च है. ये इसमें दो चैम्बर्स हैं. एक साइड पे जो ओरिजिनल स्नेल एसेंस है वो है और दूसरे चैम्बर में उन्होंने नायासिनामाइड ऐड किया हुआ है. नाउ फुल इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट में आप देख सकते हो. दिस हैज स्नेल सिक्रीशन फिल्ट्रेट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द इंग्रेडिएंट, एंड देन इट हैज नायासिनामाइड विच इज 5%, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट हैज few of the humectants like glycols are there, glycerine is there, panthenol and sodium hyaluronate is there, and this do have few of the oils as well. This has meadowfoam seed oil, sunflower seed oil and macadamia tennifolia seed oil. This do have argan oil as well, and last में this do have glutathione. Now glutathione is a brightening ingredient, so niacinamide plus glutathione, they are gonna give you their brightness effect, and इसके साथ कुछ oils भी डले हुए हैं. So definitely gonna give you the deep hydration and snail secretion filtrate of course है ही. Picture of this one is a medium weight consistency because यहाँ पे दो chambers हैं तो दोनों chamber का product एक साथ निकलता है. Snail mucin and this दूसरी side का जो solution है वो. So ये बहुत अच्छे से spread होता है and बहुत अच्छे से आपके skin में absorb हो जाता है. But if you're a person who is acne prone and who is facing the closed comedone वाला situation, don't go for this one. It might clog your pores because this do have a few of the oils, but rest skin type can go for this one. This one is a beautiful product. I just love this one. Guys, you can choose according to your skin need and your skin type. All of these products are tried and tested and I love all of them, but choose wisely. जो भी आपका skin type है और आपकी जो skin concern है उनके accordingly ही product choose करिएगा. Ingredients देख लीजिएगा, मैंने आपको सारे explain कर दिए हैं. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next videos guys. Until then, take care and stay beautiful. Bye bye.